Swimming pool closed. Everything was okay even though the building itself quite run down. The place to collect the key quite dark and scary. Room was clean. View at night was night. 2 mineral water, and 2 Nescafe provided. Host was kind. The only thing I'm very disappointed is the pool is closed and no information about that is provided upon booking. I checked in mainly for the pool and no other reason. You can park at yellow and white lines only. At night, quite hard to find the parking. Nice EW room and very big swimming pool. By son love the room and enjoy the swimming pool so much. Went to Parajua Service Blentong early morning the next day, near and easy drive. It was a pleasant stay. Had a good stay here. Just a walking distance to Tesco Extra and no problem for food since there was some food stall and fast food inside the mall. Room was spacious and clean. Overall best place to stay whenever I come to JB. Clean and spacious, owner are friendly, room is clean and comfortable, spacious. Exceptional, best place to stay, thumbs up. Good accommodation. Very clean studio apartment. Comfortable accommodations. Very good communication and easy check-in. Good Wi-Fi. Nice 16th floor view of Kampung area. Thankfully the breeze was blowing in the right direction away from the apartment, since there were always people burning something. Very good stay, away from the city chaos. I simply like everything during my stay this time. The check-in was hassle-free and the host is very friendly, helpful and straightforward. The pool at the property was very big and clean and also can be used at night. The place is chaos-free and from the unit, you can really see Johor Bahru at night from the balcony without the traffic noise and etc. during checkout. The process is also very easy and convenient. Definitely I am gonna stay here again somewhere in future. Excellent, very clean place, comfortable. The feeling of going home while staying there. It was a good during the stay. Totally feel like going home and cleanliness was excellent. Only thing is slightly not convenient for food and shopping, have to take Grab here and there. Unless you have a car, other than that everything was good.